Hello everyone, welcome to part 5 of Advanced Ecom series in Laravel 6. In this video, we are going to start work on multi-authentication for our Advanced Ecom website in Laravel 6. We will use guards for admins and default Laravel auth for users. Okay, so first of all, we are going to set guards for admin panel for admins. Okay, for that there are few steps that we are going to take. First of all, we are going to create admins table. You have seen that we have created all these tables. We have created users tables and others tables have been automatically created by migration commands, but now we are going to create admins table similar to users table. We are going to create admins tables in which we are going to register admins, sub admins for logging into our admin panel. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we are going to create admins table, and for that we will create migration file. We are going to create admins table migration file, so that we can create admins table from that migration file. Okay, so let's start working on this migration file. I'm going to run our file zap htdocs, and here is my folder, ecom folder. I'm going to right click services, new terminal, add folder. Here I am going to run the command php artisan make migration. I'm going to create admins tables because we want to create admins tables. That's why we are running this command. Okay, so now this command will create this file. We will open this file, create admins table. Okay, you can see here we are going to add all the columns that are required in admins table. We will also open create users table file, so that we will get hint that which columns are required. We will first copy all these columns because all these are required. Then after that we are going to add our own columns as well. I'm going to copy all these as well. ID, name. After that I will also add here type. Forgot how to do. Sorry for that. Here I am going to add the type, name type. Okay, so after type we will also add mobile. Name, type, mobile, and after that email verified at password. And after password we can also add image, because in future if we require admin image then it is good for us. And we will also add status to disable enable admin. We will add integer for status. Okay, so now it looks fine. We will recheck. Big increments for id, string for name, string for type, string for mobile, string email unique, after that timestamp email verified at nullable, string password, string image, integer status, member token, and timestamps. It seems to be fine. Okay, so now we are going to run another command to create this table. We are going to run php artisan migrate command, and you can see admin's table has been created. It's coming here, and so we can check the table after opening here. We can go in ecom6 and you can see the admins table has been created with all the required columns. Okay, so now we can create admin model as well. So we will run another command. I will just get like this. So I'm going to run another command here, and I'm going to run that command php artisan make model admin. Okay, so that I can create admin model. Okay, admin model has been created. I am going to check whether the admin model has been created successfully or not. Here you can see we able to create this admin model. We can update this model. There are few things for guard. We need to update this admin model for guard that we require for admins. Okay, so starting from here, we want some class to add here. Use unit notifications class, notifications noti like this. Okay, and one class is for authenticable. As authenticable, authenticate like this, authenticatable. Okay, so here class admin extends authenticatable will come here, stands authenticable. Okay, so this one will come here. Now here we will use notifiable like this. Okay, and here we will register guard protected dollar guard. Our guard is admin, so we are going to assign guard protected guard to guard variable as admin. Okay, so one more thing, we are going to assign label like this. Here we required all the columns that we required for admin. We will just enter the main columns of admin: name, email, and password. Okay, and after this we want one more dollar hidden, and here we want two more columns, that is password and member token. Okay, like this. Okay, so you can update this admin model file like this. You can add some of these classes. Okay, and after that you can assign admin to guard variable, protected guard variable, and you can mention protected fillable for fillable variable you can mention name, email and password, and for hidden protected variable you can mention password and remember token. Okay, this is the setting you need to do for admin guards. Okay, so after this we need to create the middleware as well. But before middleware there is one more setting we need to do. We will need to update auth.php. Okay, so we will open auth.php here. Okay, one thing you already know that we are using default auth for users, so that we are going to use for the front end users. But for admin users we are going to use guards. So for registering guards we need to update this auth.php file as well. Okay, so you can see here we have used guards. Here guards is the array here, and here it's web and API already there, but we will also add admin. Here we are going to assign session for driver and provider for admins. Okay, so this one we are going to register in the same way. I can copy this one as well, copy and paste here, and here I am going to mention admin, and in driver it is session, that is fine. In provider I am going to mention admins like this. Okay, so because our table name is admin, so we are going to provide here admins. Okay, so here it is admin. Okay, we need to do it like this. And in providers as well, here we will copy this one, users. See, users, it is by default it is already there, but we will add for admins. And here we will also add like this admins, and here it will remain same. And here we are going to add admin model. Okay, so this one we are going to add. Okay, so now we can create admin middleware files, admin middleware file. Okay, so that we are going to create with command. I am going to create this one command. Okay, no issue. I'm going to create that command here. Right click, services, new terminal, add folder. Here I'm going to run php artisan make middleware admin. Okay, so I'm going to create a middleware for admin. I think I have make some mistake. Yeah, there is spelling is incorrect. Middleware, we need to want it like this. Okay, now it is fine. Okay, so now we can see that admin middleware has been created, middleware class has been created. Okay, so now here we are going to add auth check for guard, for admin guard, like we used to do auth check for default Laravel auth. Here we will do auth check for admin guard, like if auth check is fine, then we are able to assess the admin routes. Otherwise we are not going to assess the admin routes. Okay, we will do for dashboard. You can see that you able to assess the dashboard route. You can open the dashboard here. Right now it is opening. You can see right now it is opening, but after doing this setting it will not open. Then we require to log in into the admin panel to assess the dashboard. Okay, so we are going to work on this one. Here I am going to add the check. Okay, so before working on this one, we also need to register our admin middleware in kernel.php file, app.html kernel.php file. And here I am going to register in protector route middleware. Here we need to register this admin that we have just created in last step. Okay, so I'm going to register it like this admin. We are going to make it name like admin, middleware name is admin. Okay, so here I'm going to do it like this, app http middleware admin class, like this. Okay, now we have registered it as a global middleware class. Okay, so we can access this admin anywhere we want. Okay, so now we can come back to this admin middleware. Here we can add the check, uh, if we can able to access the admin guard or not. So our check will be like this: if I will add not auth guard admin, if the admin guard is not there, means if the check for admin guard is failed. Okay, if the check is failed for admin guard, then we are going to return user to admin login page. Okay, we are going to redirect user to admin login page. Here admin is the admin login page itself, which we will also give some message that we will register there, flash message error. Okay, this one we will do next time. Okay, this time we are just going to bring the user to admin login page. Okay, so now I'm going to access this dashboard page and we'll see if I'm going to try to. Okay, so one more thing we need to do, we need to update web.php file, we need to update routes, we need to add here admin middleware group. Okay, in which we will add this login route for admin. Okay, so I am going to add one more will be defined here. Okay, so I am going to add here admin middleware group. Okay, so I'm going to add it like this: route group middleware admin, and here I'm going to add function like this. Okay, and we will keep this dashboard inside this like this. Okay, move like this. Okay, so now we will try again to access the admin dashboard. This time it must not work, no login page must come. And see here some issue has come: auth not found, we require auth in admin middleware file. Okay, no issue, we will add auth in admin middleware file. Okay, so we'll use auth. Now we will try once again. Okay, now you can see if you will try to access the admin dashboard, then it is taking us to admin login page. So we able to protect the dashboard from unauthorized access. User admin must log in into the admin panel first to access the dashboard page. Okay, otherwise that person not able to access the dashboard page, and that thing is possible with the admin guards. Okay, that we have just registered. Okay, so in next video we are going to work on this admin login functionality. After user sign in with the correct username and password, we are going to register admin guard. Okay, and when the user log out, we are going to destroy that admin guard. Okay, so everything in admin panel we are going to use the guards for admin, and we are going to use that for all the pages of admin panel, because it's like same like auth, same like session. We are going to keep that guard okay in for admin panel, and we will just log out, we will just unset that guard when we log out from admin panel. And but for the front end, we will keep using the default auth. Okay, and for admin panel we will use this admin guards. Okay, so in next video I am going to log in into the admin panel with admin guard. Okay, going to register that admin guard, that auth attempt kind of thing we are going to use for admin guard as well, in the same way like we used to that auth guard we use for default auth. Here we will use that auth attempt once again for admin guard as well. Okay, so in next video we are going to work on this. Okay, so if you have not subscribed our channel, then you can subscribe this stack developers channel, because future videos we are going to do many new things in future videos, okay, that are really helpful for you. Okay, so if you have any queries, you can surely contact me in video description. And that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.